Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to set a home page in Google Chrome. Open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Click on the three-dot icon located at the top right corner of the page. Go to Settings. In the left sidebar, click on Startup. You have three options. If you select the first option, a new tab page will appear on Startup. If you select the second option, last visited web page will be opened. If you select the third option, you have to set a specific web page to open on Startup. This is how you can set a home page in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching.